Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today our recipe is a kid-approved recipe and it's homemade mac and cheese using only 4 ingredients. Today I will show you step by step how to put this delicious and tasty recipe together, and you can say goodbye to boxed mac and cheese. Let's get started. Start out by filling a small saucepan with water. Add a little bit of salt and a drizzle of olive oil and let it come up to a boil. Add your pasta and let it cook until al dente, and then drain your pasta. You're draining your pasta over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then add 1/4 of a cup of milk. Then finally add 1 cup of shredded cheese. You can use the cheese of your choice. I used a Mexican blend. Mix it all together until creamy, and then your dish is ready to serve. Sprinkle with a little bit of salt or pepper and enjoy. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.